Good morning, student. It's your English class. You are in Standard 4. And this chapter is Standard 4, the first chapter in English that visitors at Duliatal. Duliatal is a hillside. So many tourists visited this place. Here, the chapter is written by Swapna Datta, the Bengali writer. In this chapter, the writer describes a girl's psychology while two guests of her family visited. There, her aunt towards her aunties like Masi and PC. Masi in Bengali, her mother's sister, and PC, her father's sister. Both are visited where the little girl Tinku lived, which was a hillside named Liatal. To read this chapter for you and read with me, dear student. You can't get plenty of time at home. It is important to read the text perfectly, then you can understand the whole text. I'll read for you, just read with me. Visitors at Duliatal. Duliatal is a hillside, it is a tourist place. This topic is written by Swapna Datta, Bengali writer. Especially wrote for children. Here, Tinku was a little girl, was greatly excited. Why she was excited? Because two of her aunts will visit her house. That's Monimasi and Nutu PC. As it is Bengali term, Masi and PC. Masi here is her mother's sister and PC her father's sister. Both were coming to Duliatal for a visit. Both were teachers. Monimasi taught in a school in Calcutta and Nutu Pesi somewhere in the suburb. Suburb means not in the city exactly, but nearby the city or in the village area. They had not been to the hills before. They have never seen the hills before. What will they think of Duliatal? Asked Tinku. They'll love it, won't they? I hope so, said Tinku's mother. I only hope it doesn't rain when they arrive. But they are expected it will be rain. And it so happened. Here the question, why not? Asked Tinku's surprised. It's lovely when it rains. When it rains in hilly areas, it looks so beautiful. But the people who are not acquainted with hilly areas, they feel uncomfort while they are raised in hillside. And especially in hillside or in winter, we feel cold. There is severe cold in winter. But if it will rain, then the weather will be extremely bad for the visitors. They can't bear the lowest temperature due to cold and for the rains also. All the little streams become rivers where we can sail boats. If it rains, then we can't sail boats. That's the psychology of a kid. Here the little girl Tinku feels up. Tinku's mother laughed. You used to hate the rains too. Usually Tinku hate rains. But in that moment, she feels better. Oh, that was very long ago. Oh, I think that it is bad. It's my loss in previous time, but now I feel it should be rain. I am used to the Airtel now and it's a lovely place. As it happened, there was a heavy downpour on the morning of their arrival. While her two aunts arrived at the bus stop, it was morning and it's rained heavily. As it happened, there was a heavy downpour, means sudden and often heavy rainfall. Heavy rainfall at the time, downpour means it rained heavily in the morning while both aunts arrived at the bus stop. It's time to go to the bus stand, said Tinku's father. Tinku's father said to Tinku, that's God, welcome your aunts, welcome your Masi and PC, peering at the wall clock. Peering means looking at the wall clock, which is hanging on the wall. Where are the raincoats and the umbrellas? We have to take raincoats and umbrellas because it is raining. Let's take a couple of extra shawls as well, and we have to take more or more than two for your Masi and PC. It's kind of severe. Could I come to the bus stand with you, Papa? Or asked Tinku. Yes, but wear your raincoat and don't forget your gumboots, he said. You also prepare to come with me to greet your Masi and PC, but you have to wear raincoat and gumboots. Rain continued to pour down when the half-filled bus from Katgodam arrived at the bus stand. While the bus arrived, it was half the passengers in the bus, and it continued to rain, heavy rain. Tinku jumped up and down eagerly. She was very fond of both her aunts. Moni Masi told her the most enchanting stories when she visited her in Calcutta. She was excited to listen her Masi, to listen her PC. She jumped up and down eagerly and looking eagerly where were her aunts, her Masi and PC. Why she is fond of her Masi or PC? Now Moni Masi told her the most enchanting stories when she visited her in Calcutta. When Tinku visited Calcutta, her Masi told enchanting stories, and Nutu PC was great fun to be with and quite a good photographer. Nutu PC was a good photographer, and she maybe took exciting photographs and so her, but they didn't seem to be among the passengers. Nutu Moni called out Tinku's father in a loud voice, "Are you there? Hurry up and get down. If you are in the bus, please come outside. Hurry up and get down." Her father called Nutu and Moni. "Hurry up and get down. The boss will leave in a minute." Because the boss left that place immediately. Two huddled figures almost buried under cardigans. Overcoat and shawls crawled out of the bus. Two PCs or PC and Masi both were crawled out of the bus. Two huddled figures almost buried under cardigans, वो साल के अंदर थे, and overcoats also shawls because they feel cold, severe cold due to rain, and as it was the place nearby the hillside. What monstrous weather! That's bad weather. Very bad and unpleasant weather, monstrous weather, said Moni Masi in a feeble voice. It's freezing. We feel severe cold, said Nutu PC. Really, Dada? Dada here is called brother. In Bengali term, that's Dada means Bhaiya or brother. I don't know why you worked us hero at this time of the year. Why you call this time? I think this time is not perfect or pleasant for us. It will be not pleasant for us because it rains heavily. It always rains in the hills. You will soon get used to it. Everyone does, said Tinku's father, taking the bags from their heads. Tinku cried, Moni Masi, catching sight of her, why did you come out in this rain? She also be excited to see her aunt, Moni Masi and Nutu Pisi. Oh, at that time, Nutu Pisi asked, where the taxi, I want to go with it. They both laughed. Why? Because I think Tinku's house is nearby that place. So it is not necessary to come with the bus stand, the taxi. So Tinku burst out laughing. We can't go to our house by taxi, Nutu Pisi. The path's too narrow. The path was too narrow. There's a narrow street to its house, to Tinku's house. I am afraid you will have to walk, said Tinku's father, laughing at the look on their face. It's not far. Here, get into these raincoats and take these umbrellas. Okay, just wear. You should have to wear raincoats and take these umbrellas, and we have to walk. Walk all the way to your house, cried Nutu Pisi. And I don't see any road, said Moni Masi. There it is, said Tinku, pointing to the narrow track leading down to their house. Moni Masi said, I can't go down that path. It's so narrow, and there's such a steep drop on the other side. There is not even a railing one can hold on to, said Nutu Pisi. How can I go through this narrow street? It was too difficult for us. Here Tinku's father advised, no, don't be hurried, just you have to hold Tinku's hand and just follow me. Okay? There is not even a railing one. Oh, don't be frightened, said Tinku's father. You have hold my hand and you hold mine, Moni Masi, said Tinku. Don't worry, you won't fall down. It seemed like a never-ending journey to Tinku. Both her hands were so scared of the narrow path that they took as to cover the short distance. They have to cover a short distance, and they may be reached at Tinku's house. Thank God we have reached the house safely, said Moni Masi. With a sad was they near the gate. With a sound means with her body shaking because she felt both cold and afraid. That was very narrow. That place was very narrow. That road was narrow too. And that time they feel cold. It was extremely cold due to as it is located in hillside, and also it's rained heavily. Thank God they reached safely. I don't think I want to either, said Nutu Pisi. There's nothing to see except drifting trees and dark bushes. I don't think you will get to see the snow rains at all. Oh yes, you will when it is bright and sunny, said Tinku is a comforting voice. Here we are, said Tinku's father, opening the gate. Her mother was already at the door to welcome them. Soon after, they heard their tree, Moni Masi and Nutu Pisi dived under the quilt and blankets because they are tired and they are worried. They both are bored. That means they feel uncomfort in that weather. Both dived under the quilt and blankets with a hot water bottle each because they felt extremely cold. But when they opened their eyes the next morning, the whole place was filled with sunlight. The beauty of the nature as we came through at that time. The sloping garden was full of colors. The snowdens beyond the garden shone golden in the sun. The dark hills in the distance and silver trickles falling down into the green plains below. Oh, how beautiful, cried Moni Masi and Utupisi together. They both were excited to see the beauty of the nature, the beauty of the hillside. What a beautiful place, I have never seen before, they shouted. They feel it was the pleasant time to visit that place, Duliatal, a famous place in West Bengal. The dark hills in the distance are silver trickles falling down into the garden plains below. Oh, how beautiful, cried Moni Masi and Utupisi together. I told you so, said Tinko, joining in the laughter that followed. Silver trickles means the waterfalls in the mountains, which from a distance look like thin streams of silver. It falls from the hills and looks so beautiful. This is the topic. We have visited so many places in our vacation. Why in summer or maybe in winter, both times, so many visitors visiting various places. Duliatal is a visiting place or a tourist place. And here Tinko's both Masi and PC visited that place to enjoy the beauty of the nature, to visit the beauty of the hillside, and especially in the rain time or while it is raining, they feel uncomfort, unpleasant moment. But in the morning, while there is the sun, it was a very beautiful spot, and they have to enjoy the beauty of the nature. That is the topic. You must have to read this chapter thoroughly, then you can understand it. And I have also written the answer of these given questions in your holiday homework. You must have to practice at home and enjoy it. Thank you.